Welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to download and install Python on Windows. Here we will follow 3 steps. First one is downloading the Python file. Second one is installation. Third one is verifying installation. So first, to download Python file, open your browser and in the address bar type python.org and press enter. It will take us to the Python official website. Here we want to download Python file, so go to downloads and click on this. Here you can see download the latest version for Windows. Here download Python install manager. In this tutorial we'll download and install Python using Python install manager. So we'll click on this. Download begins here. And once the download is finished, the next step is to install Python. To do this, click on this open file and minimize this, and here we can see this window install Python install manager, and here if you want any help you can click on this button get help with this installer, and don't change any settings here. Click on this option install Python and it will lead us to this terminal. Here welcome to Python installation manager configuration helper. Windows is not configured to allow paths longer than 260 characters. Python and some other apps can exceed this limit, but it requires changing a system-wide setting, which may need an administrator to approve and will require a reboot. Some packages may fail to install without long path support enabled. Update setting now, yes or no. Here I'll press Y. Here we will allow paths longer than 260 characters. So type Y and press enter. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, so click on S. The setting has been successfully updated and will take effect after the next reboot. So done with the first step. Next step, the global shortcuts directory is not configured. Configuring this enables commands like Python 3.14.exe to run from your terminal, but it is not needed for the Python or py commands. Add commands directory to your path now. Here I want to add this directory to path, so I'll type Y here and enter. Path has been updated. Done. Next step. You do not have the latest Python runtime. Install the current latest version of CPython. Yes, we want latest version of CPython. So I'll type Y and press enter. So it will start installing that. Okay, done. Next. View online help. Do you want any help? If yes, you can press Y. It will lead us to Python help window. Here I don't want any help, so I'll press N, that is no, and enter. Okay, so now we are done. So now third step is to verify that Python is properly installed on our system. To do this, go to Windows search bar and type Python. And here you can see Python 3.14, that is app. Ideally, documentation manuals. That means Python is properly installed in our system. Next, to check the Python version installed on your system, open command prompt and here you need to type Python space -- version and press enter. This is the version installed in our system now. Okay, so this is how we can download and install Python on Windows using Python installer manager. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.